Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going over and reviewing the new sunglasses from Dezi. Well, we're going to review 2 of them, and we're also going to see if they're plus size friendly. So if you want to see the 2 shades I got and if they work or not and the quality and whatnot, then just keep watching. So I purchased 2 sunglasses from Dezi, which Dezi is the eyeglass company from Dezi Perkins here on YouTube. And I purchased 2. I tried to purchase 4, but as I was sitting in the cart, I would get to the screen for shipping, and then it would like glitch out and tell me that one was sold out, and so then I'd have to start me back over. Then I got to the shipping part for the next one, and it did it again and said a different one was out of stock. So finally, at the end, I ended up only getting 2, which is fine. I got Harper and Top Shelf. I actually purchased Top Shelf for my husband. He wanted a pair of glasses, but didn't have time to actually go through the website and look at them, but I knew those are kind of his style, so I just went ahead and bought those for him. And then for myself, I got Harper. I got, technically what I wanted was Harper, and then I wanted the 2000s in the red shade and Charge It, I think? No, Fall Back. Yeah, Fall Back. So I only ended up with the 2. So let's go through it. This is the packaging. And when you open it up, you have their, whoa, there we go, their image on the board. It came with a card that I forgot downstairs and I'm too lazy to go get it. So then you have the 2 boxes in here, and let me just go through it. So each glass comes with inside a little baggie inside of the case. I just already took it out. Yeah, let's go over these. So I have already tested these, so I do already have an opinion. So let's go over the ones I bought for me first. So I got Harper in the Black Smoke Gradient, which honestly I didn't realize I got the gradient. Hold on. Okay, they're all gradient, that would be why. I was like, I don't remember hitting that. So I got the black on black. That's not mine, this one. Black on black to be safe. So let's talk about the box real quick. So these are nice quality. They're pretty thick cardboard, and then it has the magnetic closure. The inside is a very soft fabric, and then inside is the glasses as well as a little baggie. And the baggie, oh, it does say Dezi on it. So let's go over the shades. So these are the Harper. Hopefully this is gonna be hard to show you with my ring light. Like I said, these are the Black Smoke Gradient. They are $75. So these sunglasses are on the higher end. Obviously they're not high. There's, you know, luxury out there that are like $600 and more. But I'd say for like the average consumer, these are on the high end. So I just got the Harper. So you can see, like I don't know if if you watched her video, I'm sure you watched it. They have Dezi established 2020, and then Harper on the other side, and then like she said, they have their triangle design. So I already have an opinion on these, and I'm disappointed, which sucks because I love Dezi and I really wanted to support her, but I'm gonna have to take these back. They are very weighty. They're nice. They feel nice quality. However, they're not plus size friendly. Now, that's not saying all of her sunglasses are not plus size friendly. I'm just talking about these specifically, which makes me think any of them that are like this, that are structured, are not going to be plus size friendly. So that would be, so Harper, Fall Back, Charge It, On Red. So basically, in my opinion, without trying them all, in my opinion, the only ones that are plus size friendly are Top Shelf and 2000s. Let me just verify. Hold on. Let me see a picture of 2000s. Yeah. So like I said, without trying them all, my opinion is 2000s and Top Shelf are the only ones plus size friendly, because my assumption is all the others are built like this one. So these are structured, and what I mean by that is the line, what do you call this? The piece that goes behind your ear, and how it connects to the actual sunglass part is a structured piece. There's no wiggle room. Whereas with Top Shelf or the 2000s, they are this thinner glass, which means this piece right here can technically be stretched a little bit or not stretched, but bent a little bit. These cannot, and all of the sunglasses except for Top Shelf and 2000s are like this, where they are structured. Now, I did not think about this when I bought it because I'm just so accustomed to buying sunglasses and not thinking of them being plus size friendly. I just buy them and they fit. However, I'll give it the benefit of the doubt. I have recently only been buying glasses at Torrid when I'm just physically in the store. I see them at the counter and I'm like, oh, those are cute, and grab them. So I'm assuming because Torrid is known for plus size clothing, they probably have glasses that are specifically a little bit wider. So that can also be on me just not thinking about it, but that goes to show also if you are plus size, you'll have to think about it with this collection. So let me just put them on. They fit, okay? It's not that they don't fit, but I don't know if it's gonna, I'm trying to look down a little so the glare doesn't bug you, but I don't know if you can see, it's tight here. Like, it's not unreasonably tight to where I feel like I'm like getting hurt or pinched, but it's very uncomfortable. Like, I would not want to wear it for long periods of time. So because of that, I'm gonna take it back because I can't justify paying $75 for something that I don't wanna wear a long period of time because it hurts. Like I said, these are really nice glasses. They feel like really great quality. They just unfortunately aren't plus size friendly. And it's not necessarily even just plus size. I say plus size just to try to narrow it down as a whole of who I'm talking about. But this is also for men with bigger heads. I know I saw a video of Katie and John trying them on, so I don't know if John just has a smaller head than most men. That doesn't sound right. I just don't know if he has a smaller size than other men. I don't know how to word that without it sounding mean. I'm not being mean. But he didn't mention anything about them not fitting. I actually remember some of them, he's like, oh, this is comfortable and I have a big head. Like, that was their whole running joke, is he has a big head. But I had my husband try these as well. My husband is not a plus size person, and they don't fit him either. They're just like they are with me, where they're tight on the sides. So that's just something I want to keep in mind if you're wanting to purchase one of these that is the more structured. Hopefully in the future, you know, obviously this is her first launch. Hopefully in the future she'll come out with like a wide size, like they do with shoes. That would be awesome because I love the style and the shape of these. I just can't wear them, and I can't justify spending $75 to support her just to have them sit on my shelf. So unfortunately, I'm going to take them back. I hope in the future she does do like a wide size or something so that I could have these. But let's move on to Top Shelf. So same packaging, nothing changed. So the ones that I got for him are the Black Dark Smoke, and these are $75 as well. And these actually fit me. These fit me without even having to stretch it a little, which is awesome. I'm assuming it's just how these are made, because I don't know if you can see, but the piece right here, I don't know what it's called, comes out a little further than the actual shape of the sunglass. So that's probably why they're sitting a little bit wider. Actually, why don't we just do this? Just for curiosity purposes. Bitch, they are wider. I don't know how I'm gonna show you that holding it up. Ah. Okay, let me try this. I don't wanna ruin these since I have to take them back. I'm gonna like thoroughly clean them too, because I don't wanna just send them back with like dust and stuff on them. Okay, trying not to have them touch because I don't want to scratch since I'm taking them back. Dang it. Oh, maybe I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm too afraid. I don't want to scratch them since I'm sending them back because they won't accept them if they're scratched. So just know when I put them down, I can see that these are slightly bigger just as they sit, so you don't even have to stretch them. Like I said, these fit me perfectly fine. I don't know if you can see, they're not tight. There's actually a little bit of space, like I can get my nail in them, whereas those are snug to my face, like snug. So these are the black ones. These are really, really nice. I think they look nice on me, but I think they look hot on my husband. Like, yes, these are cute. Same thing with those. These are both really, really good quality. I don't want this video of me saying it's not plus size approved to come off as these are bad glasses. They're not. They're really nice glasses. You just, as a plus size person, or not even, I guess as a big-headed person, since my husband's not plus sized, you just have to keep it in mind that these structured ones are not gonna fit you. Like I said, I can't say that for technically all of them because I haven't tried them all. I'm just assuming that they're all gonna be built the same way that these are if they're structured like this. So, if you are plus size or have a big head and you want to support her and buy something in her next launch, I suggest going for these and any of the shades that she has, or going for the 2000s. Anything that has this mechanism at the bottom will help it so that either it's just gonna fit like it does me, or if you need a little extra room, you can bend them a little bit. I'm not gonna bend these since they're not mine. So yeah, unfortunately this is a short video. Actually, I don't know how with editing if it's gonna end up being long because I ramble. But yes, the long and the short, they are great quality glasses. I think they are worth the dollar amount. However, if you're plus size or have a bigger head, you just need to keep it in mind of what style you choose because of that. And I really hope in the future, in future launches, she chooses to create wider sunglasses. So yeah, that is all I have for this video. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.